Hey guys, this is Scott Harmer with Sportsland in Salt Lake City. Today we're going to be taking a look at the new 2018 R-Pod 178. Now this is the Hood River edition, so it's got the bigger tires, bigger axles, more the off-road version. Still has the 36 gallons of water, which is huge for a trailer this size. It's got 30 gallon fresh, 30 gallon gray, 36 gallon fresh, 30 gray, 30 black. So it's got really big holding tanks, especially for a trailer this size. Lets you go out for an extended period of time, but still having a super lightweight trailer. At 2,600 pounds, just about anything with a hitch can pull it. Coming around the front, you'll notice that it's got a really nice fiberglass outside appearance. It's a nice, glow to it. It's got an aluminum frame with brick foam insulation. So it's not only the lightest, but it's also the strongest way you can make a trailer. Coming around the front, you've got your tray here that'll hold both of your batteries in case, nice boxes that we put them in. You've got a barbecue connection up front, so you can just hook that in there, have a barbecue outside, but still use your existing propane, so you're not bringing extra tanks with you. You've got your electric up and down jack. It's nice that it goes up and down, especially if you have an equalizer hitch or something that you're kind of going up and down, back and forth, but it's also got a nice light, to hook up, after dark and stuff like that too, so that works out really nicely. A lighted front here, so you can kind of monitor everything from there. Coming around this side, you've got a nice big slide out here, which gives you a lot more space on the inside. Even though the trailer is a little bit narrower trailer, by opening this up, you get a full 8-foot wide trailer on it. So that Hood River Edition version, you can see you've got the bigger tires, 16-inch tires with the really nice aluminum wheels. Everything's also lifted up higher, so you have a lot better clearance on your trailer. Coming out here, you can put your cable and your satellite system in here. You've got a black tank flush, which is really nice. It flushes out that black tank just by hooking a hose into here, so you don't have to put stuff in, and actually, put it back and forth. You've got a freshwater connection here, city water connection here. That's just the exhaust for your furnace. Hot water heater here, 6 gallon with a 12 recovery, so that's nice to have 18 gallons, so you don't, where you can almost take a real shower at that point. You've got your big pass-through storage in the back here. That's really nice to hold all your stuff while you're out camping. You also notice you've got stabilizer jacks on all 4 corners. You've also got a real spare tire instead of like a little dinghy or something like that here. So coming around to the back here, you can also see on these pass-through storages, all your door compartments are on magnetic doors. So it's really nice to be able to open that up with one hand, be able to get into stuff without holding it up with your head or your elbow. You also see on a lot of your nicer trailers now, you're pre-wired with a solar connection. The great thing about that is you can put a solar panel outside, you can put it on an easel, but if you ever sell your trailer, you can take your solar panel with you to your next trailer. Alleviates that, cost, losing while you're trading stuff in. You've got markers on the outside, power out here for a blender or anything like that. And for 2018, you've also now got an awning. So this comes out to give you a full shade out front, outside speakers, which is fantastic. You've got a nice 2-step coming in as well. That's new for 2018. Big handhold. Let's go inside and take a look. The 178 is a unique trailer with the size of it. You get 2 queen-size beds. So you've got a nice big huge U-shaped dinette here. You can access any of the storage under these compartments from either inside or outside through the pass-through. And then this table drops down really easy by just pulling that down, and then your backrests fill that in to complete into a full-size queen bed. Coming around the kitchen, you've got a 3-way that works off of either gas, propane, or battery, whatever you desire. It's got a little freezer inside. We also could have them with a convection microwave, so you can either use that as a microwave or an oven, which is really nice. Also new for 2018 is your stove top is the same height as your countertop, so it doubles as it. Nice plexiglass surface there. Really gives you a lot of prep service as you're doing stuff. Stainless steel sink and faucet. Open it up here, you've got really good storage through there. Really good storage through all of here. All your drawers are on metal ball bearings, capable of holding 50 pounds each. You've got your second actual full standing queen size bed here, which is really nice to have a fixed bed and a fixed dinette, so you're not always putting stuff up and down. LED lights throughout the entire trailer. There's a main switch and also a switch you can use for each individual light. Coming into the wet bath. In a trailer this size, you've got to kind of compensate size-wise somehow. Having a wet bath all in one ends up to be a really nice way to utilize that. Nice fantastic fan inside. You're also, for a trailer this size, it's got a 13,500 BTU air conditioner, which for a trailer this size cools it down just about instantly. If you're also caught in bad weather, you've got AM, FM, CD, DVD player with a nice swing around TV. USB connections throughout the whole trailer. So guys, this is the 2018 R-Pod 178. That's the Hood River edition. That's the off-road edition with bigger tires, bigger axles, and able to get you a lot more clearance while you're camping. But in a trailer this size, it's really compact to have everything in. Come and see us. I'm Scott at Sportsland in Salt Lake City. Thanks.
Let Sportsland guide you to the dreams that live.